GU has just hit intra level, 4 hour intra level. Let's look across the market. We have got Dixie down, we've got EU up. We're not seeing flows on stocks. We're seeing yields, no. Just, it looks like a currency move. If I go back to here, we are in a consolidation. AU is up, EU is up, but it's not driving. It doesn't feel like a flow scenario. I'm going to say I mean, we are seeing USD strength here. USD some, but not driving. I'm going to say A grade. We're in a consolidation. Leave it. Quick update on my GU sell. We've got job data in 10 minutes. I've closed 90% of my position in profit. It was running around 15 pips in profit. I closed 90% here. I've left the 10% still remaining targeting the original take profit. Final update on my GU sell before I end the day. The remaining 10% hit stop loss. So me closing out 90% just before the news was the right thing to do. It did come close to my original take profit, but it missed it by 1.2 pips. So I ended up cashing 90 and losing 10% here. So overall, this trade was a profitable trade. I have sold US 500. It hit this level. It just missed my pending, and it was bloody close at 0.3 of a pip. So it's come back, and as it's come back within a couple of pips, I've manually sold. I don't feel like I'm seeing any flows across the market. Originally when it popped up, I thought, oh, we might be seeing a bit of a flow, but we've stalled on the intra level. So I've decided to take it. We're in a consolidation. I think good trade, leave it, A grade. Quick update, my impatient manual entry has come back to bite me. Price has now pushed higher and would have hit my pending. Update on my US 500 sell. Price has pushed to the edge of the price action level. I'm seeing on Twitter there's Trump saying that they had a meeting this morning with China, and they have been meeting with China, so this could be a reaction to that off the back of the news, I believe was it yesterday or the other day, about the tariffs potentially coming down. So this could be a follow on, and then we're seeing stocks rally against this news. I will keep it as it is at the moment. I'm tempted to close half and say, this kind of changes things, but I'll let the trade play out. I gave it an A grade at the start. I'll see it through, and then we can review at the end of the week, end of the month, end of the 3 months, and then we can work on trade management. But for now, execution. Let's leave the trade, see where it happens. My US 500 sell from today, that hit stop loss. I've just had a US 500 sell trigger. This sell here hit stop loss, and it tagged into the next level, which I have taken. I'm going to say it's an A grade trade. I don't really see any flows across the market. US 30 was near a level. We're seeing GU up, AU is up, EU is not up, NU is up. USD CAD is at a level. UJ not really moving. I think it might be a B grade trade. I'm a little bit unsure. I'll leave it for now, and I'll see how I feel. Update on my US 500 sell. I realised I I hadn't put my stop loss in the right place. I went with the 4-hour intra and I was looking at the 1-hour recent price action, but as per my rules, if there's a big daily wick before the recent price action, then use that. I did use that and I've taken profit.